everyone, welcome back to Ceramic Shenanigans. We're in the studio! Awesome! So I've been picking up a few tools here and there, a few jewelry related, a few clay related, and I came across this Ultimate Clay Extruder. It's Makin's Professional Ultimate Clay Extruder, patent pending, yes, see? And I picked it up for a couple bucks, so I figured I'd get it and show you and play with all these things. I'll show you, I'll bring it in a second, but we got a lot of little extruder discs, and we're going to put our clay in here. What's it say? Put it in there, and then we'll have the little disc will go in this spot. Put it like that. And then we'll just tie it on there, squeeze that down, and it'll come out. So we're going to play with that and see how these go. Okay, so here we are. We have all these little extruder discs. Let's see, what should we try? Do this hexagon shape, because I think that thing's cool. Let's see how this is. So I'm going to take this out. You slot the next one in. Take some clay here. Wedged it up from the other day, so it should be, yep, it's pretty soft still. You want it to be nice and soft. Roll it a bit till it fits. Just out a bit. This opens the cylinder up nice. So we'll just do a bit for now. There. I haven't tried this yet, so we'll see how it goes. Strap out of the way. Oh, cool. Cool! Alright, do that. A little hexagon shape. Should bring my knife tool over, but hexagon. So that would be cool to do slices of something. Mini baby stops shot on the sides of an octagon. I don't. Oh, no, I don't. Alright, so that's that one. What else we got? To make spaghetti. A little funky, but that's alright. That's why we experiment. Figure it out. Woo! Aha! And get some Medusa hair going. Nice. Now we have all these small little cylinder noodles of clay. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's that. This is the Makin clay, patent pending, maybe, still, clay extruder. This is named 2009, so I don't know if it's still patent pending, but it's pretty cool. I bought this for a couple dollars. You can usually get them at stores for like $12, $15, depending on the quality. This is pretty good. Like, it's pretty durable once you use it a bit. I'm gonna probably keep playing with it. Maybe you can put things together. That'd be kind of cool. But yeah, I'll be using this and experimenting, and we'll see how that goes. So, Hope you liked that quick tutorial. I'll see you guys soon.